that everyone is really doing very well. This is Hashim with you guys. You know the program called NEPS. Last couple of days I have been talking about NEPS only. No, I haven't done a video for the last couple of days. I was really busy with making a lot of tasks and program. Really, I started sharing, their experience, especially with their reviews. Guys, believe me, our learners has brought really fantastic results. Now, I'm going to share some of the learners, their experience with NEPS program. This is one Miss Safira. She works in Gulf country. When she started learning, especially this presentation program, she was a normal learner. She was a normal speaker. She has done a foundation course with our program, but she didn't do well that much. Later, look at this progress, how she improved really.
Hi, respected Aish Rahman sir and Hashim sir, trainers and NEPS co-learners, a very warm good evening to all. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for the wonderful and unforgettable experiences that I got in NEPS program. Yes, life is full of ups and downs, turns and twists, love and loss. Life wouldn't be worth experiencing if it wouldn't be like that. So here I'd like to share with you that I also got an opportunity, a marvelous turning point in my life journey that made me leave from this course a bit earlier. As I told you in the beginning, in the introductory session, that my ultimate goal is to become an entrepreneur, and I believe that throughout my journey, I will need for sure this beautiful global language English. While I was looking for a nice course in order to improve my language skills, I came across a YouTube video in which Hashim sir was talking about this course. Then my primary aim was only to get enrolled in this course as soon as possible, and I could do it. Saying about this course, the Zoom and WhatsApp sessions are well organized, and the materials, study materials and the modules are well structured. I got impressed in the very beginning itself. The experiences I got through this program are awesome, and I found the every sessions are relevant and applicable to our day-to-day life. The instructors are knowledgeable and dedicated, and they never fail to lead or direct us towards our goal properly. And this program is challenging, and it requires us to invest our time and energy. However, the knowledge and the experiences we get through this course worth it. This course made me confident enough to think that nothing is impossible. They provided information about public speaking and the advanced level English content. Then through this course, I got the courage to move towards my ultimate goal, to move my first step physically, being this course as the first step mentally. Only because of that, only because I wanted to move my physical step, I left this group some days earlier, but I like to recommend this course to the people who are really looking for a nice platform to improve their language skills. And I also would like to get enrolled in this course if I get a chance. By all means, if I get a free time, I also want to get enrolled in this course another time. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, NEPS team.
Guys, how's everything? Really? Is that interesting really? I know that you guys really want to improve like this. Yeah, everybody wants to improve like that. How can it be done? Really, you gotta practice so many things. You know, here the program called NEPS definitely gonna help you to improve your presentation skills. It is a Zoom and WhatsApp based program for only 1 month program. You know guys, do enroll this program. I'm looking forward to work with you. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Until we meet next time, goodbye.